Welcome back to Get Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check version and update Google Chrome browser. It is so simple and within a few seconds or steps you can achieve this one. So let me start without any delay. Just click on this one menu button, three vertical dots and click on this. After that select this one help and then about Google Chrome option. You will see here current version number and instantly it will check for updates. In case any updates is available, Chrome will automatically download it and install it for you. And at the bottom right side you will see relaunch option. Just click on the relaunch option after the update of the browser, and that's all. It's just checking. This one Chrome is already up to date, so we can't show relaunch option, but it works and you can easily check and update your Chrome browser this way. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel, Gear Up Videos, kindly subscribe it, and if you love the video, kindly share it with your friends. Thanks. Bye.